Okay, now let's have a look into Google recommendation for off-page SEO. Okay, Google recommends to build high quality content when you produce your page or post. Quality contents always naturally attract other users for linking to your website. Contents are the king at the end of the day. Okay, so Google recommends concentrate on your content's quality. The second bit, always consider relevance. Don't buy spammy linking schemes. This will negatively affect your website and you will most likely to get punishment from Google Penguin. In worst case scenario, Google can de-index your website. All those spammy techniques that we discussed in Google Webmaster Guidelines, basically we should not buy spammy links. There are softwares available in the market which can blast hundreds and thousands of links or 100,000 links in a few seconds. Scrapebox is one of them, GSA is another one. Guys, that looks fascinating that you are receiving a lot of backlinks so quickly, but believe me, those all websites will get punished because it's so easy. The algorithms are so efficient nowadays. They can detect whether the link is coming naturally or it's a bot link. Okay, so SEO is a long-term game. Never buy the spammy linking schemes which people are selling. Okay, so when creating backlinks, always use mixed approach. This means use of keyword as anchor text or simply the root domain link. Now let me share with you a couple of examples for this. Now on the right hand side you can see the first link is your root domain link, okay, where a text your site is basically just linking to your root domain. Now second example is where a person is linking to your article and he is using your article keyword as anchor text, and an href tag is using your article web address. So it's not a domain address, it's an article web address. Okay, the second one is a anchor text link. So always go for a mixed approach. Naturally, you will receive a lot of links that will be coming to your root domain when you will be doing directory submissions, local SEO, etc. But the second approach is when you will be writing quality contents and people will try to link with those articles, and that's where they will use your article as a backlink with possibly anchor text, or you can influence this once the link has been established. Last but not least, do not overly use your keywords. What people do when they buy backlinks, they most of the time go for the keyword rich anchor text, the second example I shared. Okay, that looks spammy, looks, obviously you're trying to rank for certain keywords. Always go for mix approach, certain links that pointing to your root domain and certain links pointing to your keyword rich article. And again, I cannot stress enough, do not participate in link building schemes like link farming or link exchange. Okay, so these are activities now easy to identify through the efficient algorithms which Google are running. Okay, this is what pretty much Google recommends when it comes to off-page SEO. Now here is a $1,000,000 question. There are billions of websites. How you will get to know which website is related to your particular niche, and how you are going to get the backlink, and how Google help us to do this? Answer to this is Google has given us the indirect way, okay, but we need to learn it. Okay, now I'm going to share with you the skill that will help you a lot in the long run, and I'm sure some of these techniques you might not have used it before. I'm talking about the advanced Google search queries. Okay, now let's start our journey.